Thanks everyone. Moving on to the next one. Please be seated. Take your seat. Okay. So next one, Tyagaraja Kirtana, Sarasanetra by Lasya Vijayapuram and Akil Shreyans Tirunagari. Right? Lasya is a freshman in high school and Akil Shreyans is in 8th grade. Both love to sing. Lasya enjoys reading books in her free time. Akil plays chess and trials at local clubs. Track 6. Guys, please sit quiet.
Andariki Namaskaram.
My name is Lasya and we're going to be singing Tyagaraja Kirti.
Sarasanetra aparaguna samaja shiksha godharana. Sarasanetra aparaguna samaja shiksha godharana. Papaganam rasamirana pamara palita pavana namajana. Papaganam rasamirana pamara palita pavana namajana. Tapasamana sasvara sasuprama ranagaraghava maramana. Tapasamana sasara sasuprama ranagaraghava maramana. Yogi vandya pahi hai sagaratiharana. Ragalobha dhura Sri Tyagaraja poshana. Yogi vandya pahi hai sagaratiharana. Ragalobha dhura Sri Tyagaraja poshana. Sarasanetra aparaguna samaja shiksha godharana. Sarasanetra aparaguna samaja shiksha godharana. Papaganam rasamirana pamara palita pavana namachana. Tapasamana sasara sasuprama ranagaraghava maramana. Ranagaraghava maramana. Ranagaraghava maramana.
Awesome, Kali. Awesome, Nana. Good job. One more round, please. Loud. Candy, please. Alright, that was a great performance, everyone. Okay, again, kids ready? Okay, the question is, this song is written in praise of which god? Raise your hand. Song is written in praise of which god? You know the answer? What's it? Tell her.
Ashish.
Great.
8th grade.
Alright, everyone please pay attention.
Venkateshwar song.
Why did you say that?
Every kirtan to praise him, right?
Yeah, every kirtana is supposed to praise the god, but there are different forms, incarnations.
This one.
It's not. Okay.
Ramalu.
Good job, Nana. Alright guys, we have a winner. The page of
Demon. Yeah. Taruri.
Oh, you have the cards with you? Good job. Alright, congratulations. Okay, let's keep going. Let's move to the next one. This one is Ode to Joy, Indian National Anthem. Pratham Kurmachalam. Pratham is from Richmond, Virginia. He currently attends IB program in his middle school. He has a variety of interests. He is also a player at the Richmond Strikers cricket. Wow. Oh, okay, sorry, I think he is going to play 2 songs. So for the first one, he'll just play, and for the second one, I'll remind when you have to stop. Good job, Nana. Okay, I think you are going to play one more, right, Nana?
Yeah.
No?
Yes.
Yes, so that one is, okay, how many of you heard, yeah. How many of you heard of the title of the song he played? It's Ode to Joy. ODE to Joy. I mean, kids might be, you know, right, Nana? Okay, just be ready, there is a question on that. So you might win a gift card, okay? But that is after the next song. Okay, just be ready. Alright, sorry to trouble everyone. This is when Andaru koncham nilchunte mana Pratham Kurmachalam national anthem play chestaru. Ante? Okay. Ready, Nana? Yep. Go. Beautiful. Thank you, Nana. Great job. Okay, before I ask the questions, I request the performers of the next 2 items to line up in the backstage, okay? Be ready. Okay, question. Who composed Ode to Joy? Parents, please help the kids. Google use చేయండి, Bing use చేయండి, search use చేయండి. Ode to Joy. Youngest.
My name is Sujit Turnahari, and the answer is Beethoven. Beethoven?
We have a winner, guys. I have no idea what this is. Sorry. Too shy? No, he's okay, I think. Okay. And then on the next one, I have one question. ఇది నాకు తెలిసి ఎవరైనా ఇండియా నుంచి వచ్చిన పేరెంట్స్ ఆన్సర్ చేస్తే బాగుంటుంది. The lines of Indian national anthem are taken from the song written by a famous poet. Who is he? మనందరం నేషనల్ anthem విన్నాం కదా. ఏ ఫేమస్ పోయట్ దగ్గర నుంచి తీసుకున్నారు? పెద్దోళ్ళకి ఇద్దాం ఛాన్స్. నేను పెద్దోళ్ళని పేరెంట్స్ సార్, పేరెంట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ఇండియా, ఆంటీ. లైన్ ఓకే. మనం నేషనల్ యాంథమ్ ప్లే చేసింది కదా అండి. నేషనల్ యాంథమ్ ప్లే చేసిన ఆ లిరిక్ ఏ ఫేమస్ పోయెట్ దగ్గర నుంచి తీసుకున్నారు?
నా పేరు శాంత, రవీంద్రనాథ్ ఠాగూర్. పరాంకుశం.
We have a winner, Shanta Parankusham auntie came all the way from India to join us. Please, one more round. Gift card, Venkat.
And she got a flight ticket back.
They will give a gift card. Okay, fantastic. Next one. Is everyone doing good? Please. ఓకే, నవీన్ గారు కూర్చోండి. నవీన్, శ్రీనివాస్ గారు మీరు చాలా దూరం నుంచి వచ్చారు, కూర్చోండి ప్లీజ్. ఎవ్రీవన్ ప్లీజ్ టేక్ అ సీట్.
ఎలా ఉందండి ప్రోగ్రామ్? ఆర్ యూ లైకింగ్ ఇట్? ఆర్ యూ ఎంజాయింగ్ ఇట్? ఎనీ సజెషన్స్ హౌ టు ఫిక్స్ ఇట్, మేక్ ఇట్ బెటర్? డూయింగ్ గుడ్. థ్యాంక్స్ శాంతి.
ప్లీజ్ అందరు గుర్తుంచుకోండి, ఇది మన ఫస్ట్ ఈవెంట్. ఏదో మేము ప్రయత్నం చేస్తున్నాము. ఏదైనా తప్పులు ఉంటే ప్లీజ్ క్షమించండి.
Absolutely.
And we'll make sure it's good next time.
This is the first time. Next time. There are many next times. We'll keep improving it, refining it, and we'll get to a stage where we'll do it like a ballet show or some kind of Broadway show.